Day 2 of the white F450, changing out the head gaskets. The two things that we ran into was we need to find somebody who carries the rocker arm retaining clips, and then we broke one bolt out of 6 off of one of the turbos. So we'll just have to get that out. So that'll be kind of the project today, is getting that stuff going. We still have to do the injector cups in the heads, and then once the injector cups are good and we got the retaining clips, we'll be able to throw it back in the truck and start putting it all back together. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. We're moving pretty quick, a little faster than we thought, which is always good. I think Malachi just got here and maybe Tim, so we'll check back in with you.
You can see the progress we made yesterday. For those that say this is impossible without lifting the cab, we did this in 6 hours, and it really wasn't bad.
No.
You don't have to do too much more than what you would do to already lift the cab. The bumper was a whole 6 bolts. The radiator was held in by 4 bolts. It was not bad. The worst part was the up pipe bolts, which on any diesel is a pain. But it is 100% doable for somebody who wants to do it in the shop. We even left the hood on. It probably would have been a little easier if we took it off.
Yeah.
But today the goal is to finish cleaning up and throw it back together.
Yeah. Good. You got a lot of parts.
Lots of parts, lots of mess.
And there's even more parts back there.
New parts.
And then the donuts.
And then the donuts.
Look at that, it worked.
And somebody said it would.
Awesome. They're not the same length.
What?
Stupid Amazon. It's too sad.
So we got these injector cups and the tool from Amazon.
Which was our first mistake.
Yeah. That's the issue with needing stuff overnight.
Yeah.
And now they're the wrong size. Oh, are we putting new injector cups in there?
No. No, we're not. If by new you mean old, then yes. Look at how good I am.
You're a little surgeon.
That's right.
You didn't know that's what I went to school for?
What's the normal size of a surgeon?
It's a normal size.
Human?
Of a surgeon?
Yeah, because
Like-
how could you say I'm a little surgeon?
Did I say you're a little surgeon?
You said it, yeah, you're just like,
Alright, that looks good. Where's the Loctite? I don't know.
let's just be gentle and see what it does. Ready? What does it feel like it's doing?
It's going. It's going. Keep going. Keep going.
Crack.
That sounded different.
Yeah. That seems like it's bottomed out.
It seems legit. Hit it again.
Harder?
Yeah. Is it still moving? I think it might be down. Go ahead, hit it again. See what you think.
No, it feels like it's bottomed out. Can
Yeah.
you look at the bottom side and compare?
Kind of personal, isn't it? Just keep going. You're doing good.
Enough room?
Yep. Go ahead and slide it right out. we have both cylinder heads on. This one we still have to do bolts on, but it's set in place on the alignment dowels. This side is fully torqued with ARP head studs, and the rocker shafts are all in, getting ready to do injectors.